Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium level question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm very glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is question 2033, minimum operations to make a uni-value grid. So you're given this 2D integer grid and you want to basically add or subtract x to make every value in the grid equal. So, and you try to find the minimum number of operations to do this. So basically what you want to do is just try to find, because you don't know if all the elements are unique, which it seems like they are, let's just go ahead and find the middle element, right? So for G in grid, let's just go ahead and extend that sublist, and then let's go ahead and sort current. So you can see here, we're trying to make every element equal to 4, right? Here, we're trying to make every element equal to 3. So that's just going to be the middle element. If there's an even number of elements, it's going to be this one. So in this case, it's going to be 3. Otherwise, here it's going to be 4. So we can basically just say if length of cur is even, then the middle is just going to be length of cur divided by 2 plus 1. Otherwise, mid is length of cur divided by 2. And let's just go ahead and print the mid to see if it fits the pictures. So it's not correct. It's -1 instead. So index 1, perfect. And here, 0, 1. You can do 2 or you can do 3. You don't, in this case, 2 works as well. So basically now, let's go over current. And if C is not equal to the middle value, which is just going to be cur of mid, then we want to figure out what the difference is, which is just going to be the absolute value of val minus C. So because we can only change the number by x, if the difference is bigger than x, then we can just return -1, because that means it's not possible to make every element equal to that value. So for example, if we look here and x is 2, you can't make 2 equal to 1 with moves of 2, right? Or if diff modulo x is not equal to 0, because if it's not divisible by that number, then it's going to overshoot. You can't make it exactly equal. Otherwise, you want to go ahead and add diff divided by x, because that's how many turns it's going to take. For example, if you're trying to knock 8 to 2 and x is 2, then you're just going to knock to 6, to 4, and then to 2, right? And then at the end, we can just return answer, right? That's going to be the minimum number of moves it takes. So in this case, let's see what's going on. So if it's not divisible by, or diff modulo x is not equal to 0, then we can't make it a uni-value grid. So let's submit this. So half of the test cases are passing, and so it looks like we've selected 1, so that's our value. So anything that's not equal to this, we need to find the difference, right? Oh, sorry, if the difference is less than x, because if the difference is less than x, we can only change by x. We can't change by anything less than x, right? Okay, cool. Let's submit it. And there you go. Passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.